Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to be showing you how to do the polymer cutting board right after this.
Okay, so today we're going to be using our SG800 printer. We're going to be using the Sawgrass Print Manager. I am going to send 2 jobs through the Sawgrass system because we are going to do the front side and then we're going to flip it over and do the back side. It does help prevent bowing on this item. Or if you only wanted to do one side, you can technically just flip it over on your blank side and then press it.
Okay, now with our print, we're going to go ahead and tape our cutting board on there. And as you can see, Jamie used our template, which has got a great bleed around there, so it's going to get full coverage. And we're going to press this first side at 365 degrees for 120 seconds. And about medium pressure. Okay, you're going to want to move your paper immediately. And now we're going to do the second side. I'm going to have Jamie help me with the tape on this one because it's kind of hard to do with gloves on. All right, we're going to do the same thing on the second side. And again, 365 degrees for 120 seconds. And again, you're going to want to remove the paper immediately. There we go. And once it cools down, you can add the feet.
And another thing to mention is we do have our sublimation heating pad that we do recommend for a lot of substrates such as slates or ceramics, anything that really has a little bit of a thickness to it to help distribute the heat evenly. So you can also use this on top of your cutting board if needed. And we also have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com when you search for the Polymer Cutting Board online. And anything else you want to add in?
I would, in addition to using this as a cutting board, this is a great mouse pad, especially if you're working on a soft surface. You can set this down next to you and use it as a mouse pad too.
Great idea. Well, that's it for today. So we'll see you next time.